How to make and create business Facebook cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for Facebook and click on Facebook cover option, and it will take you to this page. Just go here and scroll down until you find Facebook business cover option. Click on see all and choose a template from here, for example this one, and now you can edit the text and everything just from here. As you can see, it's so easy to edit. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.